Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire, yeah.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Lena. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lena. We make lifestyle vlogs and occasionally we do motivational videos. So today is Monday. I'm starting a vlog by going to the mall. I want to change $100 into dirhams because I want to use it for something. And also I have this plastics. We don't usually buy my plastic one. We just use my plastics that we store in the house. So when I'm buying stuff, I just carry them along. For example, today I'm going to buy groceries. I'm just gonna carry them along. I hope you're gonna enjoy this weekly vlog. So don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Let's go.
I left our names written in the sand. I didn't know that they would wash away so fast. And that love I left in your bed.
Hey guys, paneja zvirikuenderwadza. Bhegi rangu ndakatenga paShein. Look how gorgeous it is. But paneja raita. It's been like this for I think for a few months. And sometimes the numbers that I need to like repurchase whenever I buy stuff. But then I still want this bag, like this one has a special place in my heart. I think ndisha ordering my bag, but the fact yekuti bag rangu ndiri kurida and rakuluka, so it doesn't make sense. Thank you.
You don't have to lie to me. I know it wasn't red. I left our names written in my heart. I didn't see that we were living worlds apart.
So ndida kwenda ku Carrefour iyo iri kumashuroko, but then kumbere kwangu kune 𝘊𝘊𝘵𝘳𝘳𝘕, so it's actually itori pado kana wakubuda uchienda ku taxis, but then I think it's just okay ndingogara nda exchange mari musati ndani zitroli rerere richirema, and then kanda kubuda nongobuda ka1, so yeah ndopanda tosvika pa𝘊𝘊𝘵𝘳𝘳 pacho.
I should have known from the start that
Pizza zvemari guys, saka ndakwenda kunotenga groceries. I don't know why nazvlogera nhasi ndiri kutaurisa so much. Is it because ndine too confident ndiri kutaurisa stereki, but then ndakwenda Carrefour, I don't think nde ndichitaurisa stereki ndichingovlog around.
you're the break after the bend. How much farther will we fall? And I'll wait for us to land. Still suspended, it's still dark. When I looked over my plans, wasn't there yet, here we are. You're the break after the bend. How much farther will we fall?
Ndikuda water bottles, but then ndikuda today because sometimes umbakuda kunoya vaenzi, and then like vanoya vanenge vachigadzira something, vanenge vachirepair kana selling, vanokukumbira mvura upichi kuti urambovapa glass something else, so I'll just take that one.
There's no never-ending war at the limit of it all. We've been over this before. No more help down here to call. Push and pull some more. Where's the bottom of these walls? There's no never-ending war. How much farther
2 hours later.
Guys, unfortunately, ndatadza vlogger the whole time. The trolley just got heavy and heavy and heavy. So I'm just gonna show you how my trolley looks at the moment. Let me show you. So I ended up buying a lot of things. Saka pushing the trolley and vlogging. It's not working out today. I'm also running around sometimes in Ruguita and Shipaka trolley. I choose somewhere else. Dragging it all the way. It's a bit tough. But yeah, that is it for vlogging. Oh yeah, I was looking for cooking cream 𝘊𝘢𝘵 𝘊𝘢𝘵. This one. And that's it. Ndatona check her out. Ndova ndatwenda kumba. So ndikubva @Emirates driving school kuno open a file because apparently for some reasons term app yanga ichiramba kuresponda ku-uploada Emirates ID yangu, but then I'm not really like handisi kufara because ndiri kufila kuti pane kachitsotsi kaitika kakuvharwa kandaita mari. So from someone akandudza zvake kuti kuvhura file kunocost around 300 dirhams. Ndasvika ndapinda mukati. I was greeted by a guy, a security guy by the gate. Ava andudza kuti ava ndibvunza une license ndinaro recountry kwangu, but because handina disk I had to say handina because vanenge vachirida disk. So ndova ndati license ndinaro but it's as good as andina because I didn't collect the disk. Ndingoneka certificate kakadi kanopiwa kuZim if you know. So then zvazoitika ndezvekuti ava anditi so unogona kungova udzotonarina. No, I don't want to say that because I know when I tried kutora open a file on the application term require kuti ndi-upload my current driving license from my country, so I had to say andina, right? So ndova ndamudza kuti ndikuda kutanga from scratch, but alright, it's fine. He called the guy that he called. That guy vanditi nonomira patable, I'm coming there. So patable ndavane nonogara patable. He came request Emirates ID yangu vanditi wakaita eye test. That eye test ndakaita itori paterm already because but they automatically upload the eye test ukaiita on the term app. So from there then vanditi ndi open a UAE pass. Ndaopena vandudza number yeko enter and all. So pabva papinda message yokuratidza kuti file rangu raopenwa. Apparently on the app vayandudza that I'm supposed to pay 220. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. It told me an amount to pay, that the file is open but I need to pay 200 and something dirhams. So I had to ask the guy, like, if you are done opening my file, I need to pay this certain amount on the application. Then he said, no, I need to pay it to him. So I was like, so how much is the amount? He told me 350. And then I'm like, 350? So I started counting Marandina because the guy who had told me cost around 300 something. Then when I counter Mari Vanonotindine, I need to pay my telephone bill. Okay. So Nevana counter Mari, then I realized I'm left with 345 cash. Then I told him I don't have enough cash in the 345 because he told me to pay 350. Then he said, okay, I can pay 345. I'm like, I mean, guys, let's be realistic. This is a government institute. You don't get to negotiate in this country. Like, I've never been to any government institute where I have to negotiate anything. So it was suspicious kwandiri kuti unonegotiate mari driving yekuvhura file. Like, how is that possible? But then I gave him the money. Then vanamubvunza receipt akati no need for receipt. I've issue a receipt. because I wanted the receipt for proof, right? He told me they don't issue receipt. Mind you, 𝘊𝘀𝑜𝘆𝑉𝑒 is waiting for the money. So I left, but I left with questions in my head, like, to those of you who have taken license in UAE, how much did you pay for file opening if in fact you opened at the Emirates Driving Institute, or if you opened per term application? How much did you pay? Please guys, comment down below, because I'm boiling with questions in my head. I'm not sure what this week is gonna look like, but I for sure know that this vlog is supposed to go live on Saturday. For those who may not know, I upload videos every Saturday and every Monday. So yeah, no update and I maybe I'm just being someone ari upset next I end as a mari. You feel as if wavarwa mari, the last penny that you had, but anyway, it's okay. I'm glad I got that out of my way. Now I need to book for theory online and then practical. After I've passed the theory, I'll also need to do practical, so I'll be vlogging until the battle license my walk. So now I need to go up the building. The reception, I just got here. Cool copies and buy mudeni. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to film this type of vlog because it's been a minute, and also to just like let you guys into my personal space just for a bit. You might wonder why today I woke up so late. It's 9:52 a.m. I woke up very late because I had woken up earlier at around 4 a.m. and I did like a 30 minutes ab workout with 𝘊𝘁𝘆 before I head out to take a run with my big sister. I came back, I took a shower around 6 a.m. and then I dozed off. So my apologies, I'm starting this vlog a bit late, but I'm looking forward to making a glass of coffee because I like to start my day with coffee. My head is heavily spinning at the moment, So I just want that thing that's gonna like wake me up from this nap that I kind of took. From there I need to make breakfast, then I'll need to sit down on my laptop and work on my task for this week and just make sure that I do something productive today. I contact the people I want to contact. Tomorrow I was looking forward to doing what I want to do today, but because I started this vlog, I'll take you guys on it tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to go to 𝘊𝘶𝘳𝘳𝘦 to do an eye test for my driving lessons. So I don't want to do it today because I want to film indoors. I'm kind of feeling like I need to be indoors. I think this sleep affected me. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. 𝘫𝘁𝘤𝘵𝘢𝘵.